Do you feel like you need to sit at your computer all day, watching charts, chasing green candles, and stressing over every move? Let me tell you something. 99% of the people that try that end up losing money. The good news is you don't need to trade all day in order to win in crypto. Spoiler alert, the hodler usually wins and beats the trader all the time. Hey, this is Colin. I help beginners in crypto cut through all the hype, build real wealth in crypto using macro strategies and building a conviction-based portfolio. When I first got started in crypto, I thought I needed to be a trader. I thought I needed to trade all day in order to succeed and start to really make money in crypto. Sitting there staring at the charts, studying technical analysis, studying the market, studying candles, studying the patterns, figuring it all out, trying to become that day trader, even getting into leverage trading and losing my shirt. Boy, was that a mistake. What I found was trading isn't just so really stressful. It's actually a losing game. For most beginners, that is. I mean, yeah, there are some people that do end up making really, really good money, and they do very well. But I tell you, let's be honest, that's really the sliver. That's the sliver of a few people out of many, right? When they say 95 to 99% of the people, they're losing money and they're not really making it, that's the truth, okay? And if you're here, you're probably not wanting another full-time job. You want something simple, something sustainable, something that'll work, something that's working for you in the background while you're living your life, right? It's all about freedom. And that's exactly what I'm going to reveal to you today here in this video. How you can start to build real wealth in crypto without trading your days and trading and staring at charts all day long. If you want my full strategy on how to build wealth using a macro strategy and building a conviction-based portfolio, make sure you grab my Crypto Wealth Playbook. The link's down below in the description. I've also got a free crypto checklist for beginners. If you have not got that checklist yet, make sure you grab that checklist and follow the 9 points in that checklist. Let's get started here right now. Why long-term investing beats day trading all day long? Any day. Well, let me first share a quick story here about when I first got into crypto. About a year or so. When I first got started with crypto back in 2019, let me share this with you. I started getting into day trading. I started getting into trading crypto using leverage exchanges. I followed a few YouTubers. I came across this one guy and man, he made it look so simple. It's made it look like and sound like it was the golden ticket. Man, riches overnight, fast, huge leverage, right? I mean, this guy's driving around in Lamborghinis. He's doing very well. And all you got to do is you got to trade your Bitcoin and trade some Ethereum. I just started learning about this, right? And all you got to do is trade and use 100x leverage. And man, you're going to be a millionaire right away. Right? I mean, it's super exciting. It's like, huge leverage. You watch these gains, you watch these percentages just go shooting through the roof, man. Let me know. Drop me a comment down below. Have you tried leverage trading? Have you tried this 100x leverage stuff like that, right? Man, that was big back in 2018, 2019, right? Yeah, super exciting. Well, I tell you what, at first, I made some good gains. It's hard not to, right? I followed the system. I followed what was going on. I made some good gains. I made some good gains really fast. Boom, right? But then I tell you what happened after that. Those gains, they can come crashing down pretty darn fast too, just as fast as you can print that money. I mean, this leverage trading, it was like printing money, right? You just get on the charts and you're just printing this money, but then all of a sudden, reality kicks in and you get wrecked. And then when you get wrecked, you're chasing what you lost, you're chasing and you're getting wrecked even more. And man, you're getting liquidated. And I'm not kidding. I swear, man, they're out there looking and they're spotting at these liquidations and they're spotting people that they're with their margin calls, their liquidation zones, and they're just hunting those people and they're liquidating people. Now I'm just a little guy, right? I'm just a small guy. There's a lot of big guys out there getting wrecked like huge with leverage trading. Well, I got wrecked to just little bits, but still it was big enough, right? Well, That's when I realized that staring at charts, chasing 1-minute candles, high leverage trading on 100x, that just wasn't for me. That wasn't the way to do it. That's not the way to build real wealth in crypto, especially if you're a beginner. That's just complete degenerated gambling. Here's the truth. Most people, most beginners, they end up losing money in crypto, not because they picked the wrong token, but because they get impatient. They get trapped in that emotional roller coaster of trading. But now, long-term investing, that just flips the game. It flips the script on this all. Instead of trying to beat the bots and the pros with short-term trades, you align yourself with the big picture of the big cycle. You ride 200%, 500% gains, whether it takes several months or a couple years, few years. You're looking at the big picture here, not just measly, 2%, 10%, 20% gains here on your quick trades here and there and in and out. Bitcoin, it went from $3,000 in 2019 to up to $69,000 in 2021. Ethereum went from $100 to $4,800. That didn't take 100x leverage. That didn't take, in and out day trading to do that. All that took is patience. Sit on your hands, wait, and HODL, and you will get those gains. That's simple, easy to do. Well, for the most part, it should be easy. The hard part is actually waiting. The hardest part is having patience and to sit through that. But if you do, well, all you got to do is HODL, have patience, and you get those gains without the stress of those charts and wondering what's happening throughout the day. There's power in macro timing, DCA, and conviction. Crypto moves in a 4-year cycle, approximately 4 years. Maybe it's going to be just over 4 years, right? But we have a liquidity cycle. It's the macro cycle, the macro picture, right? The macroeconomic of the liquidity in this cycle. And if you understand the macro timing, you don't need to stare at the charts all day, every day, all day long. You just need to align yourself with the cycle. Tools such as DCA, dollar cost averaging, buying little bits over time, at regular times, regardless of what the price is. Conviction, holding on to assets that you have a strong conviction in. No matter what the market's doing, up or down or sideways, you're holding on to those assets because you have conviction. In fact, you have a strong conviction that when the assets do crash, you're going to pick up some more. Example, if you were to start DCAing, or if you had DCA, dollar cost average, into Ethereum in 2022, in the bear market, when everybody was quiet, you'd have major gains. You'd have a lot more gains without having to sit there and stare at a 5-minute chart. Or Bitcoin, for a really good example, watching Bitcoin. If you would have been DCAing all through the last bear market in 2022 into 2023, just DCA just Bitcoin. From then until recently it started to really go up this cycle, you would be sitting pretty darn well. All you did was put little bits here and there into Bitcoin. Very simple to do. Conviction protects you. When you have conviction in the assets that you have, the dips don't scare you. In fact, you just pick up more. That's like just what I'm saying. When the dips happen and you have conviction in your strong assets that you're holding, you just buy more. You're buying that dip. Forget about worrying if you're going to get liquidated or not, or you're going to lose your holdings, right? Lose your trade. It's going to hit your stop loss, right? What stop loss? You don't have a stop loss. You got crypto assets sitting in a cold storage wallet, man. That's where they are. There's no stop loss. You're holding your bag. It dips down, keeps on going down. You got conviction, you buy more. That's what you're doing. And then you just wait until the top of the cycle. Why? Because you understand the crypto cycle. You understand the liquidity cycle on it going on a 4-year cycle, and you're playing the long game. That's what you're doing. You can build a lazy portfolio that works for you. It works passively. Whatever you're doing in life, because it's a lazy passive portfolio. but it's strong. What do I mean by that? Well, check this out. You don't need 50 tokens to do this. All right, no 50 tokens. You just need to have your conviction and your core buckets set up. You start with a core green bucket, your green core bucket. This is your foundation. This is your anchor. You're going to have your Bitcoin. You're going to have your Ethereum. And then you could start building in as well your second layer of your green, right? Which is going to include your really strong foundation anchor altcoins, the strong ones that you've got really good conviction in, right? That when the market really crashes, you're just loading up more of those. You understand the fundamentals. You understand what's going on. You understand these cryptos. You don't just buy them because it's a hot tip or anything like that. But it's your anchor. It's your foundation. But then you can move into your yellow bucket, right? Which is they're good cryptos. They are high conviction mid-tier alts, right? They're not your anchors of Ethereum or Bitcoin, but you're getting into your yellow bucket. You're getting into strong, high conviction altcoins, right? That's what your yellow bucket is. And then you're going to move into your red bucket. Your red bucket, now these are a lot more higher risk. These are your moonshots. These ones, well, you may not necessarily be buying and picking up more of these when it really crashes, all right? You're going to look at these in a different mindset. You're going to look at the moonshots, your red bucket with a lottery mentality. You're going to throw some in there, throw your ticket in. You're going to buy some of these moonshots, and you're going to have the attitude and the mindset that, well, this $50 is gone. Well, this $20 is gone. Whatever it is you could afford and that you're putting into your moonshot bag that, well, it's either going to go to the moon or it's going to hit the ground and it's going to crash and I'm not going to cry about it. That sort of thing. That's your red bucket. They're plays that you're having fun with. Make sense? That's pretty cool. You can automate this to make it even more simple. You can set it up on an exchange that you're able to do automatic purchases, automatic buys into your green bucket or your yellow bucket, whatever it is that you want to be doing. Set some automatic DCAing into these assets and then move it over to your cold storage wallet if that's what you wanted to do. Then what you do is you set up your exit strategy. You plan your exit strategy. You set up how and plan how you're going to be taking your profits when the time for taking profits comes. You're going to set up your profit-taking ladders, and then you're going to have these rules, and you're going to go by these rules. You set all this up. It's very, very simple to do, and you just follow it. And remember that you're going to be using a cold storage wallet. You're going to be using hardware wallets. You're going to use your Trezor, your Tangent, your Ledger wallet. You're going to be using these to keep your long-term cryptos, your long-term holdings. If we're playing this for a 4-year strategy, a 2, 3, 4-year strategy, no matter, depending when it is, what asset it is, and, when you're starting to stack and different, your plan here, right? Well, you're going to want to keep this crypto safe. That's the whole point of getting into crypto. Keep it safe, keep it protected, use some hardware wallets. And then as a result of all of this, well, your portfolio is going to grow. It's going to grow over time. It's going to gain value. You're going to see those profits. You're not sitting there in front of a chart, trying to figure it all out every single day, worried, stressing, and watching the smaller time frame candles of a 5 minutes, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15, even hour-long candles. That's all small time. We're going to look at the weekly. We're going to look at the monthly. That's what we're going to be looking at when we're going to play this game this way, looking at a macro strategy. No constant chart checking, no, radical, emotions getting off the wall, going off the wall and all over the place. We're going to keep it all in check. Just a plan that's simple and it works in the background. If you want to learn this strategy in full detail, I recommend you need the Crypto Wealth Playbook. That's what it's all about, right? Grab the Crypto Wealth Playbook. If you found value at all in this content, you know what to do. I'd appreciate it if you did. Smash the like button, drop me a comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are. Hey, And if you're not subscribed, do that too. Click subscribe. I got another set of videos, a playlist right about here that I believe you're going to find some value in. Check these videos out. I'll be over there. I'll see you there. Bye for now.